we are going to collect some seeds for the next year. This is a long bean, which is purple one. This is the pole bean. The long bean, green one. So this is too ripe. We can save these seeds for next year. I'll show you the seeds. You see the seeds? These are the seeds of clove bean. We will save this for next year. I am writing the type of the seed and the date also. Usually these seeds are viable for 3 to 5 years. Since the seeds are really small, I'm going to collect them from this dried pepper once we are ready to be planting them. These are clove bean seeds. You can also save the seeds in old pill bottles. These are okra seeds. We can collect the seeds from these pots. We'll do one at a time because we don't get confused with the seeds. These are the long beans with the purple skin. These are the long beans, the green ones. Their seeds are black. When you shake the pots, you can hear the seeds inside. That's how we know that they are ready to be saved. These are the pole beans. Their seeds are bigger than the other ones. This is another variety of beans. They are called pink cranberry bean. We can arrange them in alphabetical order. Bitter gourd, low bean, golden cucumber, red pepper, long bean, whole bean. And this is okra. Seeds need to be stored in cool and dry place, and also in a dark place, so we can save them in a shoe box.